Okay, so we're going to continue with our weekly series of math riddles here. This one known to many of my students, but these are all symbols, and it's by looking at them they look pretty much like what we use for symbols today for numbers. They're originally come from Arabic, I believe, and these symbols. So the idea I want you to think of here is these symbols were chosen for a reason. And think of if you're trying to make a universal symbol for a number so that everybody can understand what numbers you're referring to when using these symbols. Why were these symbols chosen? For instance, this is the number 1, right? This is the number 2. Why use that for 1? Why not have this represent number 1? Or number 4 could be represented with this type of thing, right? These could have all been symbols represented, but probably hard to recognize universally. These were chosen very specifically so that even if you didn't know what they were, you may be able to figure out what number they represent. Okay? And with that being said, there is another symbol used to represent the number that is not shown here. Once you understand the pattern, I want you to try to figure out what symbol is not being shown and what symbol is used for that and why that symbol is used for that reason. So again, my students probably know this, they talk about it all the time, but it'll give you a week to try to figure out why these symbols are chosen to represent each of these numbers.